Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Sahara trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Sahara trap beat. So, when launch your FL Studio, just put your cursor like this on your FL Studio, right click on your mouse, then you just click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So, I'm just going to enter my FL Studio like this. Before start making your Sahara trap beat, I'm going to click on add here. Then I'll click on this blocking called Kepler Exo. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. Left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6. After that, I'll click on blocking options, click on presets, then click on this one called, so I'm going to pick my preset now. I'll pick on this one called Robbie Keys. After that, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then click piano roll. I'm going to be making Sahara trap beat. After that, I'm going to copy right to bars number 8. So I'm going to put my cursor as showing left and right. I will left click and hold it, just drag it to see a clear view. Click on select, put my cursor at the starting of 2, left click, highlight it to the left. Just drag a mouse to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's it. Since it's like this, you can't see the clear view. I'm going to put, as my cursor is pointing at the screen, I'm going to left click, just drag my mouse to the left, then put my cursor at the starting point like this. Then left click and hold it, drag it to the right. I'm going to click on view channel rack. I'll click on this add. After that, I'll click on this plugin called this 3 times OSC. That's it. Which you can see pronounce it at 3 times OSC. That's it. So I'll put my cursor onto this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 7. After that, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw. So this is going to be my bass note. This is only going to be my bass note. Very simple Sahara trap beat for new beginners. Follow my YouTube channel, new beginners, and create your beats like this. Good. Now I'm going to start programming my hi-hats now. So on channel 3, I will right click, then click piano roll. This channel 3 with my hi-hat. That's good. 1 to 2. So I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. The next step for my Sahara trap beats, I'll put my cursor like this on channel 4, right click, then click piano roll. This is how my kick sound. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another bounce like this. That's okay. I finished creating my snare of my Sahara trap beat. The next step, I'm going to pick my kick. This is how my kick sound. I'm going to left click, drag it to channel 1, right click, then click piano roll. That's okay. So the next step, I'm going to start programming my kick now. At bar 1, I'll put my 1 kick. At bar 2, 2 kick, like this. At 3, 1. At 4, 3 kick. At 5, 1 kick. At bar number 6, 2 kick. At 7, 1 kick. At 8, 2 kick. That's it. I'll click on view channel rack. I'll click on my kick, click on this effect target, turn the boost knob right up. That's okay. Let's go to our mixer. So 6 and 7 is our melody, so I'm going to bring down the 6 a little bit, left click and hold it, turn down the second melody a little bit. 3 is our hi-hat. If you check on the channel rack, here is channel 3, which is our hi-hat, channel 4, which is routed into our mixer. So I'll take up the kick, which is our hi-hat, take up the 4. Then to mix our hi-hat, I'll click on slot 1, then click on sound goodnizer to add the sound goodnizer. Then on 4, I'll click on slot 1, then add the Fruity Soft clipper. Back to our hi-hat, I'll click on slot 1, add this Fruity Soft clipper, then bring it down a little bit to 63%. That's okay. Then let's start to mix our beats. Channel 6, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity limiter. On slot 2, I'll click on slot 2, add a Fruity parametric E2. I'll click on slot 3. Now click on slot 3 and add a Fruity compressor. I'll click on slot 4 and add a frequency splitter. That's okay. On 7, I'll click on slot 1 and add a Fruity Soft clipper. I'll click on slot 2 and add a Fruity Soft clipper. Then now I'm bringing down the threshold while allowing this one without bringing down the threshold. As it. So I'll click here, swap like this, swap left and right, swap to the end. I'll click here, reverse the polarities like this. That's okay. I'll click now view on channel rack. Where I've written part 1, I will right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared at the top level of my FX2. I'll click on this draw, click on this kick, click back to my playlist, and I'll just make sure it aligns. That's it. I'll click on this snare, click back, or click on my first melody, click, make sure it aligns. I'll click on this last melody, just click back and make sure it aligns. Now let's check our first melody, the Ruby keys. Right click, piano roll. Let's check it. The way I'm saying it has not reached its bar number 8. We are going to check it. Let's just cross check the Ruby beat. Yes. Now I'll click on select, put my cursor at the starting of 8, left click and hold it, highlight the first, the second to the last bar, press Ctrl and B and extend it. That's okay. Now view channel rack. Now let's arrange our beat. I'll click on select, put my cursor at the start of 9, left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left. You can see press Ctrl A to highlight it like that, then press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat. I'm extending my beat now. I'll click on this draw, put my cursor, right click, remove the kick, right click to remove the hi-hat, put my cursor on top of my snare, right click to remove my snare. I'll click on this select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, drag it to the left. You can see press Ctrl A to highlight it, then press Ctrl and B to extend your beat. So I'll put my cursor like this. Since I cannot see the clear view, what you can do is put your cursor like this. As the cursor is pointing on top of this arrow here, right on top here, look at my cursor. I will left click and hold it, drag it to the left, make sure it jams here. So I'll put my cursor like this. As my cursor is showing left and right, I will left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. That's okay. I'll click on my draw now, click on my Ruby keys, then click now to my outro. I'll click on my last melody, the 3 times aux, then click now to my outro. I'll put my cursor like this. I'll put my cursor on top of my snare, right click on my mouse to remove the snare. I'll put my cursor on top of my hi-hat, right click to remove my hi-hat. Now let's go to our mixer. I'll click on my mixer, 3 and 4. I will right click on my mouse on top of my 3, then click create automation clip. The function is to control the volume automatically. I'll put my cursor on top of my channel 4, right click on my mouse, then click create automation clip. Now let's check back our playlist. This is our playlist now. Since it's showing 3 types aux, where it first of all show part 1, so you can put your mouse and right click, then click split by channel. I'll just left click now, turn it a little bit to see everything we have first of all programmed. I'll click on my hi-hat now, put my cursor like this, put my cursor as showing left and right. I will left click and hold it, reduce it a little bit to this semi 1 bar. Then I'm going to add another hi-hat here, add another hi-hat here at the start of my outro. I've only finished making the Sahara trap beat. Now since we were playing it here, you can only listen it on a channel rack, but you can't listen it now into a playlist. What you have to do is to switch it here. See, this is my cursor point on my screen. I'm going to click to song mode. We are going to listen the beat now. I've already finished making the Sahara trap beat. Now let's listen to our Sahara trap beat from the start to the end. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished making my Sahara trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Goodbye.